Cambridge Internationalist Level Sociology: The Process of Learning and Socialization. 1.1 The Process of Learning and Socialization. Concepts: culture, the shared values, beliefs, and customs and traditions of a group; roles, the expected behaviors and functions associated with individuals in a society; norms, socially accepted standards of behavior; values, beliefs about what is important and desirable; beliefs, convictions or acceptance that something is true; customs, socially accepted practices or behaviors; ideology, shared set of beliefs or ideas shaping the way people think. Social construction of reality. Reality is shaped by cultural elements such as culture, roles, norms, values, beliefs, customs, and ideology. These elements influence how individuals perceive and interpret the world around them. Defining society. Key points: simple concept, complex definition. While the idea of a society is simple, defining it can be complex. Commonality and distinction. People in a society see themselves as having something in common with each other and differentiate themselves from those in other societies. Two types of space: physical space, distinctive geographical areas marked by physical or non-physical borders; mental space, separation based on beliefs about similarities within their society and differences from other societies. Mental construction of society. Societies are imagined communities existing in the minds of individuals. Elements contributing to the mental construction of societies include geographic borders, systems of government, and shared language, customs, and traditions. Anderson 1983 emphasizes that even members of the smallest nation create an image of communion in their minds. Defining society. Anderson 1983. Anderson describes society as imagined communities, things that only exist in our mind. Societies are mentally constructed by geographic borders that set physical boundaries, a system of government which may involve monarchy, civil service, parliament, common language, customs, and traditions that are shared, a sense of belonging and identification. For example, Pakistanis may see themselves as different to Indians. This passage lays the foundation for understanding society as a complex interplay of physical and mental constructs, emphasizing the role of shared elements in shaping the perception of a community or society.